I lost my PowerPoint subscription, so this will have to do. This is the weekly chart, the all-time high, which has already been taken by the ES and the Dow Jones. This is the all-time high for the NQ. This is the all-time high for the ES, and this is the all-time high for the Dow. So I'm looking if this wants to pull back anytime soon, otherwise I'm still bullish for this. For the Nasdaq, we have previous week opening high, which is the same as this highest up close candle of the order block. Today we've entered the daily order block, the yellow line in here. Went to the daily fair value gap, we tapped out this high, and then I wanted to see after that, I wanted to close below the daily fair value gap, but we closed above that. So tomorrow I will be bullish again to see, hopefully, maybe, if I'm right, to see trade price to a weekly opening price. Today I had a bearish trade. I couldn't find a long trade because I was bearish initially on the I wanted to see price coming in here. Now I want to see it possibly go in here or just rally up. This is the 4 hour and the 1 hour chart. Key point in here is the 1 hour value gap. Then we have the 15-minute. We come back in here, trade up to the new day opening gap, then we trade lower, find support in here where we could try to find a long position trade to trade up, but that was in the afternoon, so let's try to find it now maybe. So we trade up in here, we take out sell side first, then finally in here 943 we have this first percent for value gap in here. This looks very clean. We trade below that. At the midpoint of that I wanted to short. We go lower, take partial in here, we trade up here again at 5 minute for value gap created in this rally lower. Then I take a partial in this, trade lower. So if we measure this sweep to there, one standard deviation should be this exactly, and then we have this price rally run, one standard deviation is in here. If we take the wick to wick, come on, one standard deviation. If we take wick to wick from this to this, we don't really trade to the one standard deviation. So then we trade this price rally to this price rally. Yeah, we have that. And then on the other hand is we have these relative equal highs. No, we have these relative equal highs, excuse me. All these in here. And if you wanted to continue that long perspective, then this was the trade. In here, then we have a low, high, high, lower, low, higher, high, then this is the breaker. And we could possibly find another trade in here. SMT divergence. But after this low, I was definitely done for the day. So I'll never get my PowerPoint back. This is the way it is.